let me give you a formula that will not be provided on a test or a quiz. Here's the formula. Whatever the angle is in degrees, so it has to be we're starting in degrees. Doesn't have to be. We're starting in degrees. You're going to take those degrees and you're going to add it to the product of 360 times n, and that's going to equal the coterminal. And I'm not writing coterminal all the way out. I'm just writing coterm, but I'm putting a degree up there. Degree symbol. All right, excuse me. N stands for number of wraps. Let me show you what I'm talking about. All right, y'all. So I'm going to zoom out for a moment. We're going to use the top half, save the bottom half. We're only going to do one coordinate grid. Doesn't have to be really big. Just kind of in the center of the top half. Excuse me. And I am going back to that color where I did my terminal side on the front. I used orange on the front. Just going to continue to use orange. So I'm going to draw an angle. I'm going to try to, it's 50 degrees. We're going to draw an angle. I know for sure it's 50 degrees. That's given. So it is positive. This is 50 degrees. Yeah, let me show you what a coterminal angle is. It's still going to start on the positive x-axis, but it's going to hit the terminal side, wrap all the way around completely, and then stop on the terminal side. It's going to go past the terminal side one time and then stop on it. That's one wrap. It wrapped around one time. So the coterminal angle is going to equal the existing degrees of 350 plus 360 times the number of wraps. That was just one. So 360 plus 50 is 410, I think. Oh, this kind of math I can't do. 360 plus 50, I'm pretty sure it's 410, and it is. Don't forget your degree symbol. And y'all can be positive or negative. I'm going to go negative. So I am going to start on my terminal side like I always do, right here. But I'm going to go down all the way around. Go through one time. Go through another time and then stop. So this graph, I should have used a different color than that. So it went around one time right here, but I wrapped around twice. There's two wraps. My red hit that terminal side twice. So this coterminal is going to be 50 plus 360 times negative 2, because I went clockwise. So that is going to be a negative 670 degrees. That's coterminal angles. Do you have any questions on that? Okay, sometimes we won't draw it. Last thing we're going to write, keep it on the top half if you can. What if I give you this? Given 136 degrees. Find two coterminal angles. Okay, or find three. The standard is usually 3. Find 3 coterminal angles. Guys, I'm sorry. It should look like that. All you have to do is use this formula and just plug in numbers for n. Usually I do ask you to have at least one that's negative. So I can do 136 plus 360 times 3. That's going to give me 1. I'll do the math in a minute. I could do 136 plus 360 times negative 5. I mean, seriously, any number. 136 plus 360 times 7. Well, that's going to be a big number, but that's okay. I got a calculator. All right, so one coterminal angle is going to be 360 times 3 plus 136. So that's going to be 10,936 degrees. That's a coterminal angle. I could do 360 times negative 5 plus 136. So a negative 1,664 degrees is a coterminal angle. And then this giant number, I don't know why I picked 7, but that's okay. So 360 times 7 plus 136 is going to be 2656 degrees. I think I mistyped something over here because there's no way that's going to be that. 360 times 3, guys, I'm checking my work. Oh, I have too many digits. This should be 1216. Oops. So that's how you find coterminal angles, guys. If you were following along with me, make sure you fix my mistake. That's 1,216.